Hello, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes YouTube channel. In today's video, we will witness the making of a traditional dessert unique to Hatay Antakya, Künefe, prepared in the heart of the street. For Künefe, finely chopped kadayif and plenty of butter are used. In the first stage, unsalted Künefe cheese, which stretches when melted, is prepared. The trays are generously greased with butter, and the shredded kadayif is rubbed well with melted butter. The butter used here must also be unsalted. The first layer of kadayif is spread on the tray, plenty of cheese is added on top, and then it's covered with another layer of kadayif. From this giant tray, about 20 portions of kunefe can be made. Now let's talk a little about how kadayif is produced. Kadayif is actually prepared from a very simple dough made of flour, water, and starch poured into thin threads with the help of special machines. These poured threads cook instantly on the hot plate and, after being lightly dried, turn into string kadayif. Later, it can be used in many dishes, both savory and sweet. Now let's come to the history of Kunefe. Kunefe is a very special dessert that emerged during the Ottoman period with the fusion of Arab cuisine and Turkish cuisine. Kunefe, which has been made for centuries in Antakya and its surroundings, turns into a unique flavor, especially thanks to the meeting of cheese with hot syrup. Historical sources state that kadayif was consumed in Aleppo and Damascus during the Abbasid period and even entered the Ottoman palace. In Hatay, however, it has become one of the indispensable desserts of daily life among the people. As you can see today, Kunefe, cooked in giant trays on the streets, is one of the most preferred desserts by both local and foreign visitors. After placing the bottom layer of kadayif, it is time to add the cheese. It is very important to spread the cheese here in a balanced way. Not too much and not too little, but just right and evenly distributed everywhere. In some regions, pistachios are also added under and in the middle of the kunefe. In this way, the dessert becomes more luxurious and showy. However, today what is being made is the plainest and most classic form, the cheesy kunefe. So what is this special Kunefe cheese used? Kunefe cheese is an unsalted type of cheese that melts easily and stretches. It is resistant to heat. That is, while baking it melts but does not dissolve like fat. Instead, it stretches in strands. Its most important feature is leaving a soft and light taste on the palate. The difference from kashar cheese is this. Kashar cheese is salty, has a high fat content, and when exposed to heat, releases its fat in a short time. Therefore, it is not suitable for kunefe. The intense aroma of kashar cheese suppresses the light taste of kadayif, whereas kunefe cheese, being neutral and unsalted, adapts to the dessert, blending both with the syrup and with the butter, revealing the real taste of kunefe. Now the top layer of kadayif is added, and it is time for cooking. This kunefe is cooked on a specially prepared stove. Since the low heat underneath is evenly distributed, every part of the tray browns equally. It is very important that kunefe is not baked in the oven, because in the oven it dries out and we cannot achieve that soft and stretchy texture we want. This is the correct method. By the way, a small reminder, you can find nearly 400 detailed recipes on my channel. If you like this video, be sure to watch my other videos too. If you subscribe to the channel and support with your comments, I can bring you many more recipes and traditional flavors. While kunefe is cooking on the stove, the syrup is also being prepared. The consistency of the syrup is very important. It should be neither too thick nor too watery. Generally, about 1.5 kilograms of sugar is added to 1 liter of water and left to boil. After boiling for about 20 minutes, the syrup becomes ready. Both sides of the kunefe are browned equally. After the bottom is cooked, it is flipped with the help of a large tray, and the other side is browned as well. While serving, kunefe must definitely be hot. That's why after the syrup is poured, it is reheated and comes to the table with its delicious stretching cheese. Of course, another favorite of Hatay cuisine is the katmer dessert. Doughs similar to thin baklava filo are prepared, filled with plenty of clotted cream, sugar, and pistachios. Then it is fried on the griddle, sliced, and served hot. Katmer is one of the traditional desserts that must be tasted alongside Künefe. Today, we have witnessed together the making of Antakya''s famous dessert Künefe. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and support with your comments. On my channel, more than 400 detailed recipes are waiting for you, so be sure to watch the other videos as well. See you on the next flavor journey. Goodbye.